Hi, you certainly have watched the movie Interstellar, where a man goes on a spatial exploration mission to save humanity since Earth's resources are nearly finished. If you did, then you certainly remember this scene where he and his crew are in front of a massive black hole. In the movie, the black hole's name is Gargantua, and its morphology is somewhat realistic. But what is a black hole? In the 18th century, Jean Michel and Pierre-Simon Laplace considered the presence of objects with an extremely powerful gravitational force that even light can't escape from. These astral objects will later be named black holes. Albert Einstein will later release his theory of general relativity, where he predicts that a really compact mass can deform space-time and create a black hole. This means that if you take a really large mass and put it in a small volume, you will create a black hole. A lot of other discoveries have been made after that. In 1971, and by using the Isaac Newton telescope, Paul Merton and Louise Webster discovered the first object widely accepted as a black hole, Cygnus X1. It's located in the constellation of Cygnus, and it produces X-rays, which is a form of electromagnetic radiation, the same used in hospitals and by doctors to examine our bodies. Astronomers discovered that black holes are divided into several parts. The first part is the outer part of the black hole, also known as the event horizon. It's the point where gravity gets too strong for anything to escape, even light. Astronomers like to call it the boundary of no escape. There is a weird phenomenon related to this event horizon, and I will give you an example to explain it. Let's suppose that you and your friend found a black hole while exploring the universe. So you decide that you are going to stay in the spacecraft while he dives into the black hole. Dumb idea, but everything for science. So he goes out of the spacecraft, and as he is drifting away in space toward the black hole, you start noticing that he is slowing down, and his speed decreases more and more to the point where you aren't even able to know if he is moving or not. This phenomenon is due to the gravity of the black hole curving space-time in a way that affects all measurements of time and space near the black hole. The second part is the singularity, which is the center of our black hole. Here's the tricky part. Singularity is a concept, not a fact, but astronomers and physicists all agree that it is a point or region of infinite mass density at which space and time are infinitely distorted by gravitational forces. These two are the main parts of the black hole. There are other parts like the corona, which is a really hot cloud extending above and below our black hole, and the accretion disk, which is a hot disk of gas evolving around the black hole, etc. Physicists found that black holes grow by consuming matter. This process is called accretion, and black holes are 6 times bigger than our solar system, approximately 38 billion kilometers, and 6.5 billion times the mass of our sun. They also discovered that our galaxy, the Milky Way, revolves around a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A, which is located in the heart of our galaxy. This massive black hole is the closest one to our planet, 26,000 light-years away. To sum it up, black holes are large astral objects with a really strong gravitational force that warps space and time. They have a theoretical center called the singularity, where all the mass of the black hole is condensed. These astral objects are still a total mystery for us humans, and knowing everything about them seems impossible. But think about it. When was the last time we, humans, backed down from something? When was the last time we discovered something but didn't do everything to uncover all its secrets? We are special creatures, not because we can think, but because we are curious. We look for answers, and we aren't satisfied until everything makes sense. History proves that we never give up until all the questions we have are answered and our dreams are made possible. People never thought that flying would be possible, but now it's something normal. I personally believe that all mysteries concerning black holes will be uncovered. It may take centuries, but we will certainly know everything about these astral bodies. Stay safe.